Hi and welcome to my home. My name is Joanna Lavén and I'm an interior designer and stylist. And today I'm going to show you how to create your own elegant headboard. I want my headboard to be low and I'm going to do it from wall to wall to create a more elegant and sophisticated look. And to get the best result, I recommend that you use either low legs on the bed or no legs at all. The foundation of this headboard is MDF boards that I've had cut to size at the local hardware store. To give the headboard a softer look, you need to add some padding to your MDF boards. I use a stapler to attach them. I start by attaching them on this side and on this side, and then I'll cut like this, a diagonal, and I'll staple that side as well. Okay, there you go. The most important and the most fun part of this project is choosing the right fabric. I chose this H&M Home velvet curtain, but this is also a great opportunity to reuse if you have some old curtains in your home. I cut the fabric the same size as the padding or slightly larger, and then I will attach it the same way I did with the padding. The first panel is done. I will use these flat mending plates to join the panels. You can buy them at your local hardware store. Put the headboard in place and then use the bed to keep it in place.